Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Maika if you're new here. Today I have finally received my Louis Vuitton Roma package and I'm so ready to unbox it and share what I bought with you guys. So this isn't sponsored in any way, but I just wanted to throw it in here. I have been a fan of Louis Vuitton Roma for such a long time. I think they have a great selection of everything, and a couple of days ago they sent me a coupon code of 10% off. You know, when you don't buy anything for a while, they send you these emails, these coupon codes for you to use so you get back on track and you purchase something. So that's what happened. They sent me a 10% off my next purchase and I tried it on this handbag that's in the box and it worked, and the deal was so good and so attractive and I wanted to get this bag anyway, so it was just the greatest coincidence ever that I received the coupon code. Let's finally get into the unboxing because I just cannot wait any longer. So excited. We have the receipt over here and some wrapping paper. It's a new bag from Bottega. I've been really into Bottega recently. I've been a huge fan of their bag since the very beginning, the dumpling bag or the pouch bag. I really like it, especially the one with the chain. I think it's just so cool and so bold. It's my next handbag on the wish list. I really want to add it because I love the chain detail and I just love the shape of it. It's just so adorable. And I've been also eyeing this handbag that's in this bag and I couldn't decide which one I wanted, and I finally did. And I couldn't be happier with my choice. Are you guys ready? Dun, 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 dun. So I got myself the new Bottega Veneta padded cassette handbag. It's so freaking cool. It is so soft and so squishy. It's like a pillow. It is the softest bag that I have ever touched. The leather feels really luxurious. It is so smooth. It is so soft, but at the same time it's very delicate because it's this soft, and you can see how shiny it is. Can you see that? It is so beautiful. It looks almost patent, although it isn't. It's just the leather itself that's this shiny, and I love it so much. For the longest time I couldn't decide if I wanted the one with the chains or I wanted the simple one with the leather shoulder strap, and I've decided to go for this version because I went to boutique to try both of them on, and the one with chains, first of all, it looked a little bit too chunky for me. It looked a little bit too bold and too much. It's something more trendy that I know I wouldn't necessarily wear over the years, and I thought this was a little bit more muted, a little bit more simple looking, very classic from Bottega, and I thought this is something I have to go for. Also, the chain one was so heavy, whereas this one is as light as the cloud. You can barely feel the weight of the bag. It is so light. So I definitely had to go for the lighter version. It is so beautiful. It doesn't have a back pocket. I thought it did for some reason. The shape is very simple. It's very minimalistic, I would say. And I love that it is so understated. You could never tell it's Bottega unless you know the braids from Bottega. This is like their signature bag look, I would say, but before they were super tiny ones, and here it's very oversized, very large, and I really love it. To open the bag, you have to pull it down a little bit, and it opens up like this. I got mine with silver hardware. As you can see, this is the only hardware that you can see on a bag. It's also very minimalistic. It's just this triangular shape over here. I still have the Louis Vuitton Roma tag. I need to remove it. It's like aged silver hardware. And I specifically wanted to get something with silver hardware because I feel like the majority of my bags are in gold or champagne gold hardware, and I wanted silver one because I still have a few pairs of shoes that are in silver hardware, and then they don't really match with my handbags, and I don't really like the way they look together. So I wanted something like this, and I also think that with silver hardware it doesn't look as dressy. It looks more casual, more relaxed, and this is what I was looking for exactly. It's the perfect combination for me. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's very plain and simple. It only has this one zip pocket over here, which is quite flat. I don't think you'll be able to fit a lot of things on the inside, but it's still there. It looks like it is removable, but it's it's apparently not. I've already tried to remove it in store when I was trying it on and I couldn't. It's really like attached to the bag, but it just looks a little bit weird to me. It looks like it's detachable. Same goes for the strap. I don't think you can remove the strap. I tried, but I'm just scared I will rip the bag apart, so I'm not gonna try any harder. I don't think you can remove the shoulder strap, but I think if you could, it would have been so amazing, because then I could switch the straps. I could change the strap to something else. I could add a chain strap, for example. I could add a strap from Dior maybe. I don't own one yet, but I'm thinking in the future if I get one. But unfortunately you cannot do that, so this is the only option you have, to wear it on your shoulder. But the good thing is that the shoulder strap is adjustable, so you can adjust the length of it. I also wanted to see how much it could fit inside. I haven't tried it yet. That's why I'm still not removing the tag, because if it doesn't fit anything that I need during the day, I don't think I want to keep it, but if it does, then for sure I do. So the last bag I was using is this one, the Dior Bobby bag, and let's just transfer everything I have inside into the Bottega bag. So first of all, I've got my vlogging camera, because if you didn't know, I'm doing a Vlogtober this year. It's not really an official Vlogtober. I'm just trying to put out as much content as I can this month, so I always bring my camera and it fits. Then I have my Dior card holder over here. This I can easily fit on the inside. I've got the hand sanitizer. I've got my AirPods. What else do I have? I've got my chopstick. Then I've got my mask. This is a new mask, so don't worry that I'm touching it. It's fine. It's new. I haven't worn it. I just always like to bring one extra in case I need it. Then I've got the car keys. And that's it. Oh yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So it fits everything quite nicely on the inside. I still have some room at the top, so capacity wise it's really spacious. I wouldn't say you can fit your entire life into this handbag, but you can for sure fit the essentials, everything you might need. Even the camera, I don't need my camera on a daily basis, so if I remove it from the bag, I still have so much room on the inside. It looks empty, to be honest, so I could definitely fit a lot more things. I could fit a full-size wallet, for example. I don't usually use full-size wallet. This is the only wallet, like a card holder, I use on a daily basis. And yeah, I don't need anything else, so it's perfect in my opinion. I was a little bit worried. It still has the sticker on the inside, this ugly looking sticker, which is peeling off already, so I'll remove that. The reason I've decided to go for it, and the reason I picked the black color, is because I want to retire my Dior Diorama bag. I think I mentioned it a couple of videos back that bag is just getting so old. I know it's been through so much with me. I really love this bag still to this day. I wear it so much, but even my mom tells me that, okay, that's enough of this bag. You need to move on and use something else, because this is truly the bag that I go for. But this bag has already some holes on it, and it's just really embarrassing to wear it like this. Truly needed to retire it and get something else to use instead. And I haven't bought a single black handbag in such a long time. All the Chanel black handbags that I had, I sold them. So the only Chanel black bag that I have is the Jumbo and the mini one. But the mini one I only use on vacation during summer because it doesn't fit a lot. Then Jumbo I don't really wear because it's too heavy. I also have the Fendi Peekaboo bag, but it's also too big and a little bit too heavy for every day. And that's it. I don't have any other black handbags that I could use on a daily basis and use instead of the Diorama bag, and I've decided to go for the padded cassette because I thought it was the perfect handbag to replace the Dior bag. It's so luxurious, it's so delicate, so of course it will have some creases over time, especially on the inside flap over here. It already has some creases, if you can see them over here. Can you see? So this is something you cannot avoid. The creases will happen, they will show over time, but I'm glad I got this handbag in black color because this way you won't be able to see them that much. Since it's black, it's so easy, and you can't really see any creases, you can't see any marks, anything. And I'm pretty sure, just like with the Chanel lambskin handbags, you can buff out all the scratches that you have. Feels the same to me, so I'm pretty sure you can do the same thing with this handbag. It's gonna be so easy, so stress-free. So if you're thinking of getting one, you should for sure. They have so many beautiful colors. It really depends on what you need and what you want. I wanted something black and I have decided to go for black, but I will have links to this handbag in my description box. If you're interested to purchase it as well, you can check them out. And yes, right now I want to show you some mod shots of how I am planning on styling this handbag in the future. I'm really looking forward to winter months because I think it will be so beautiful with all of my jackets. And also I really want to style it with my new Bottega Luck boots. The thing is, 2 days ago I think I posted a photo on my Instagram that a drop of hand sanitizer fell on one of the boots and it completely eroded the paint on the shoe, and I brought them back to Bottega store yesterday and they're now trying to fix them, trying to repair them. They're contacting the factory in Italy, so it will take some time until I get them back, but hopefully I'll get them soon enough to style together with the bag. I already tried them on together. I really love the look because the shoes are chunky. This bag is like chunky looking, as you can see, it's very puffy, and together they just look so beautiful. So I cannot wait to get my boots back. Right now I want to show you how I want to style this handbag during this fall winter times, so let's watch.